up, everyone? Welcome to Closeted Kids Convos Vibes Unleashed. If this is your first time here, I'm your girl Trina, and this channel is all about authentic conversations that may go beyond the shoebox. We take deep dives into sneaker culture, trending topics, lifestyle insights, and self-discovery journeys. But I am so excited to tell you about this new journey I'm about to embark upon, which is the YouTube Monetization Challenge. So, as we all know, the YouTube monetization has requirements. You have to have at least 1,000 subscribers, and you have to have at least 4,000 public watch hours. So, right now, I'm sitting, and which I will show you the screens later about my analytics, but right now I'm sitting at 582 subscribers and 192 watch time hours. So, you can see that those two not really adding up. But I'm excited about this journey. I've seen Silver and Solo do it. I've seen Alexa. I don't want to butcher her last name, but it starts with an S. She has embarked upon it and been successful. Ty Myers is actually doing it right now, and so and I really enjoy his channel. And I was just like, you know, why not do it also? So I have committed to the process of tracking my journey as I've become monetized here on YouTube. So as far as commitments go, I want to commit to uploading a new video every week. So I'm going to take my statistics on Thursdays, and then I'm going to upload the videos on Monday. So every week from now until whenever I'm monetized, I do want to track my journey and share that process with you. I don't want to give it a time. I know some people did like 10 weeks or whatever. I don't want to give it a time frame, because if I'm not, say if I'll do 10 weeks and I'm not monetizing 10 weeks, then I don't want to stop. I want to continue to go. So however long it takes me to do it, I am going to be committed to the process. So I am excited about the journey. And for right now, let's look at the numbers and see what they're looking like.
Okay, here is my channel analytics from the lifetime. I started January 24 of this year, of 2024. As you can see, I have 37,000.8 views. I have 388.6 watch hours and 582 subscribers. But to me, the subscribers aren't necessarily turning over to, you know, the watch hours. So my retention has not been good. The only thing I don't understand is that shows 388.6, but on this page, when you go down, it shows I only have 192 public watch hours. So I'm not exactly sure. I guess this is the one I'll have to be watching. So I guess I got 582 subscribers and 192 watch hours. But I will go back to my analytics and for the lifetime, did I go up? Oh no, I didn't. Hold on, let me go up some more. But what you can see, I have this is what I'm starting with, and I'm going to commit to the process of the monetization challenge, and hopefully I end up on the successful side of this challenge.
So you just saw my numbers, and like I said, my public watch hours is at 192. My current subscribers is at 582. So a little shy of the 600 and a whole lot shy of the 4,000. But I'm not going to be discouraged. I'm going to stay the course, stay committed to the process, and hopefully that you're here with me as I reach that milestone and become monetized here on YouTube. But remember, this journey is not just about me. It's about any small YouTube channel that's trying to grow. So I think it's room out there for all of us. So let's do this together. Let's encourage each other. And if you have not, make sure you subscribe, like the channel, make sure you comment and let me know how you feel about the process, and let's do this thing. We could do it together. I'm here to support you as well as you're here to support me. Till next time, y'all be easy.